Imagine enjoying the finer things in life, the tastes and experiences associated with wealth and abundance, all while adhering to a smart budget. Here are 20 tips to guide you through the process of elevating your dining experience without emptying your wallet. Tip 1. Strategic meal planning and detailed lists. Begin with a blueprint for your week's meals, focusing on incorporating versatile ingredients that can be used across multiple dishes to reduce waste and maximize value. This plan should align with sales and seasonal availability to ensure you're getting the best deals on high-quality ingredients. Your shopping list becomes your roadmap, guiding you away from impulse buys and towards smart, budget-conscious choices that don't compromise on quality. Tip 2. The art of bulk buying for gourmet ingredients. Investigate which gourmet ingredients can be bought in bulk and have a long shelf life, such as high-quality olive oil, balsamic vinegar, or premium grain. Buying these items in larger quantities can significantly reduce the cost per use, allowing you to enjoy luxurious flavors in your daily meals. However, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your consumption patterns to avoid over-purchasing and potential waste. Tip 3. Seasonal shopping for freshness and flair. Dedicate time to research and understand the seasonal cycles of fruits and vegetables in your region. Shopping for produce that's in season not only guarantees peak flavor and nutritional value, but often comes with the added benefit of lower prices due to abundance. Use these seasonal gems as the centerpiece of your meals. Design dishes that showcase their freshness and elevate your dining experience. Tip 4. Coupon clipping for gourmet goods. Adopt a strategic approach to couponing by focusing on high-quality ingredients that can add a touch of luxury to your meals. Online resources, store flyers, and apps can be gold mines for finding deals on premium brands and specialty items. Organize your coupons and plan your shopping trips around these discounts, ensuring you're always getting the best price on gourmet ingredients. Tip 5. Farmers markets for unique finds and quality. Build relationships with local farmers and artisans at your local farmers market. These connections can offer insights into the best buys, and vendors often offer discounts towards the end of the day to move their produce. This venue is perfect for discovering unique ingredients that can inspire your cooking, such as heirloom vegetables, artisanal cheeses, and freshly baked bread, all of which can elevate your meals from simple to sensational. Tip 6. Herb gardening for a touch of gourmet. Invest time in growing a variety of herbs, either in a garden if space allows or in small pots on a windowsill. Fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, basil, and mint can transform even the simplest dishes into gourmet experiences. Plus, having a supply of fresh herbs on hand encourages culinary experimentation and adds a personal touch to every dish. Tip 7. Exploring underappreciated meat cuts. Educate yourself on the variety of meat cuts available. Beyond the well-known and often expensive options, many underappreciated cuts offer deep flavors and tenderness when prepared correctly, such as braising or slow cooking. Experimenting with these cuts not only stretches your culinary skills, but also allows you to enjoy luxurious, meat-based dishes at a fraction of the cost. Tip 8. Whole grains for sophistication and health. Dive into the world of whole grains to discover affordable options that don't skimp on flavor or nutritional value. Grains like barley, millet, and teff offer unique textures and tastes that can serve as the foundation for a variety of dishes, from hearty salads to elegant side dishes. Incorporating these grains into your diet adds a layer of sophistication to your meals while also boosting their health benefits. Tip 9. Mastering homemade sauces and dressings. Take the time to learn how to make classic sauces and dressings from scratch. This skill not only elevates your cooking, but also allows you to customize flavors to your preference, avoiding the additives and preservatives often found in store-bought versions. A well-executed sauce can transform basic ingredients into a luxurious meal, impressing guests and satisfying your gourmet craving. Tip 10. Smart seafood selections. While seafood is often associated with high dining, there are numerous budget-friendly options that can make seafood a regular part of your menu. Research and select sustainable and affordable seafood choices, such as local fish, mussels, or squid, which can be the stars of impressive dishes that feel lavish without the lavish price tag. Tip 11. The strategic use of cheese. Cheese has the power to transform dishes, adding depth and richness with just a small amount. Explore the world of cheese, focusing on varieties that offer strong flavors, such as goat cheese, blue cheese, or aged cheddar. These cheeses can be used sparingly to impart significant flavor, allowing you to indulge in the luxury of cheese without overextending your budget. Tip 12. The transformative power of marinating. Unlock the potential of economical cuts of meat and simple vegetables by mastering the art of marinating. A good marinade not only tenderizes but also infuses the food with complex flavors. Experiment with different combinations of oils, acids, herbs, and spices to create marinated dishes that are rich in flavor and sophistication. Tip 13. Luxurious add-ons from bulk bins. Explore the bulk bins at your local supermarket or health food store for luxurious add-ons like nuts, dried fruits, or exotic spices. These ingredients can add a touch of elegance to dishes, whether sprinkled on top of salads, mixed in baked goods, or used to create rich, flavorful sauces and marinades. Tip 14. Embracing the art of baking. Develop your baking skills to create bread, pastries, and desserts that rival those of high-end bakeries. Homemade baked goods not only save money but also allow you to control the quality of ingredients used, turning a simple meal into an extraordinary experience with the addition of freshly baked bread or a delicate pastry. Tip 15. International cuisine for gourmet on a budget. Broaden your culinary horizons by exploring international cuisines that are known for using simple, affordable ingredients to create rich and complex flavors. From the hearty stews of Eastern Europe to the spice-laden dishes of Southeast Asia, these cuisines offer a wealth of inspiration for gourmet cooking on a budget. Tip 16. Quality over quantity in ingredient selection. When shopping for ingredients, prioritize quality over quantity. Opting for a smaller amount of a premium ingredient can elevate a dish significantly. This principle applies to everything from chocolate and coffee to olive oil and specialty vinegars. High-quality ingredients pack more flavor, allowing you to use less and still achieve a luxurious taste. Tip 17. The importance of presentation in gourmet dining. Presentation plays a key role in transforming a meal into a luxurious experience. Invest time in learning simple plating techniques, such as using white space effectively, adding color with garnishes, and creating height for visual interest. The way a dish is presented can greatly enhance its appeal, making even budget-friendly meals feel special. Tip 18. Creatively repurposing leftovers. View leftovers not as remnants but as the foundation for new, inventive dishes. With a bit of creativity, you can repurpose leftover ingredients into entirely new gourmet meals. This approach not only reduces waste, but also challenges you to think outside the box, turning leftovers into a culinary adventure. Tip 19. Wine pairings that won't break the bank. Wine can significantly enhance the dining experience, but it doesn't have to be expensive to be enjoyable. Educate yourself on affordable yet high-quality wines that pair well with your dishes. Many regions produce excellent wines at reasonable prices, offering the perfect complement to your gourmet meals without the high cost. Tip 20. The joy of culinary experimentation. Finally, embrace the process of experimentation in your cooking. Use budget limitations as an opportunity to explore new ingredients, techniques, and flavor combinations. The journey of discovering new favorites, learning from failures, and celebrating successes is what makes gourmet cooking on a budget a richly rewarding experience. By integrating these detailed strategies into your culinary practice, you can enjoy the luxury of gourmet meals without compromising your budget. Each tip is designed to enhance not only the flavor and presentation of your dishes, but also your overall enjoyment of the cooking and dining experience. With imagination, a commitment to quality, and a willingness to explore the vast world of food, you can create sumptuous meals that delight the senses and celebrate the art of eating well on a budget.